I think that I have come across things where I just knew that it sounded great, but I didn't want to do it because it went against, I've left jobs because of that. They wanted me to do one thing and I said, no, I can't. I've lost friends because of it, so it's a belief system that is so ingrained in you that it's either a hard pass or it's absolutely yes. Like there's no, well, I don't know, maybe. No, it's either a hard pass or it's a yes.